You're scrolling through LinkedIn, dreaming of a new job. Suddenly, a neon job posting catches your eye. Intrigued, you start researching, but is neon actually a good place to work? Let's dive in. Neon, the company behind the iconic pink sign, has exploded in popularity. They're known for their innovative approach to fitness, offering high-intensity workouts in a vibrant, social environment. But what's it really like to work there? Do employees feel valued? Is the work-life balance sustainable? And most importantly, is it worth trading your sweatpants for neon leggings? To get the inside scoop, we'll be analyzing employee reviews from platforms like Glassdoor, Indeed, and LinkedIn. We'll look at what current and former employees are saying about things like company culture. Is it truly as energetic and inclusive as it seems? Career growth. Are there opportunities for advancement and professional development? Compensation and benefits. Are employees fairly compensated and do they receive competitive benefits? Work-life balance. Can employees actually maintain a healthy work-life balance, or is it all about the grind? Management. Are managers supportive and do they provide constructive feedback? ***. Based on our research, here's what we found. Pros. Energetic and fun culture. Many employees rave about the vibrant and motivating atmosphere. The emphasis on community and teamwork seems to resonate with many. Opportunities for growth. Neon offers a variety of roles and pathways for career advancement, from instructors to management positions. Impactful work. Employees often feel a sense of purpose, knowing they're contributing to a company that promotes health and wellness. Cons. High-pressure environment. Some employees mention that the fast-paced nature of the fitness industry can be demanding and stressful. Work-life balance challenges. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance can be difficult, especially for instructors who often work evenings and weekends. Compensation concerns. While some employees are satisfied with their pay, others have expressed concerns about competitive compensation, particularly for entry-level positions. Now, let's hear from some real people. We've gathered a few anonymous employee testimonials to give you a more personal perspective. I love the energy at Neon. My coworkers are amazing, and I feel truly supported by my managers. However, the hours can be long and unpredictable. The training program was excellent, and I've learned so much about fitness and teaching. However, I wish the pay was a bit more competitive for the amount of work involved. I absolutely love working at Neon. The culture is incredibly positive, and I feel like I'm making a real difference in people's lives. However, burnout is definitely a concern. Ultimately, whether or not Neon is a good company to work for depends on your individual priorities and career goals. If you thrive in a fast-paced, energetic environment and are passionate about fitness, it could be a great fit. However, if you prioritize a strict 9-to-5 schedule and a relaxed work environment, it might not be the best option for you. It's important to remember that these are just a few perspectives, and individual experiences can vary greatly. We encourage you to do your own research, read more employee reviews, and perhaps even connect with current Neon employees on LinkedIn to gain further insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.